I'm just out on a morning ride and I want to share with you a breakfast recipe that's really easy to make, super tasty, and it's kind of inspired from being in Istanbul recently. Although I've used this in recipes in the years past, just being in Istanbul, having this every morning as part of my breakfast, I just said, I want to share this on my channel. And what I'm talking about are dried fruits that get soaked overnight, and in the morning they're basically rehydrated and just make a wonderful, tasty, sweet addition. You don't have to use any sugar in your breakfast porridge, and just put some of these various dried rehydrated fruits on your breakfast bowl. I'm also going to show you how to do a soaked oats, which is pretty popular in Europe, particularly Northern Europe, but using the soaked grains as well as the soaked fruit as a combination is just fantastic to get your day going. Especially in the summertime, it's hot, you don't want to be cooking on the kitchen, and so soaking your fruit, soaking your grains is just an excellent way to go. When I'm finished this ride, let's go back into the kitchen and I'll show you how to put it all together.
Alright, here's some soaked oats. I'm going to show you how to do this in about 20 seconds or so. I have some organic Turkish apricots, some Turkish figs, cranberries, and golden raisins, which are fantastic to soak because they're so sweet and they plump up nicely. Now, to do the overnight oats or the soaked oats, I use 1 cup of a thick cut rolled oats. These are organic. Pinch or so of salt if you prefer. That's optional. Then 1 cup of nut milk per cup of grains. Then we're going to just cover it. You could use water instead of the milk, and you could also use orange juice or some other juice. But orange juice tends to work the best, and so does a nut milk. It makes it kind of creamy. Use a fork, just tamp it down. Now I have some cinnamon, about a teaspoon. That's completely optional, but this just gives some added flavor. And then you can really use any type of dried fruit of your preference. Here again I have the golden raisins. You can see how nicely plump they get from soaking overnight. Then the apricots, these are organic. They don't have sulfur dioxide, that's why they don't have that bright orange color. Then the cranberries, they also plump up really nice. And then the figs as well, they plump up very nice. Fun way to eat dried figs. Now, you can certainly use fresh fruit. So I have some strawberry sliced up, and then some organic blueberries. Sliced banana works great as well. And there you have it. It's ready to eat. Now you could add additional nut milk on top like I just did here, and you're ready for a very tasty breakfast. Eat it here or on the go.